Welcome to this week's Afternoon Quickie, where we briefly explore the business law and intellectual property law topics of interest to you. This week's topic is all about those intellectual property rights that you may have that you didn't even know you had. So sit back, relax, cue the music, and let's get at it. So today we're going to be talking about those intellectual property rights that you may have that you didn't even know you had. Let's talk first about trademark rights. Common law trademark rights can be acquired just by simply using a certain mark, logo, brand identifying image in connection with the sale of a certain good or service. So once you start using a name, a mark, a logo, a slogan in connection with the sale of a good or service in the marketplace, you may have already acquired common law trademark rights. Usually these trademark rights are acquired under some statutory provision in state statute, like unfair competition laws. Here in Maryland, the common law protection for trademark comes under our state's unfair competition laws. And so by virtue of using this particular mark, slogan, logo, or name in the connection with the sale of a good or service in the marketplace, you actually have rights to that trademark. Now, you can enforce those rights. You can send infringers cease and desist letters. You can take people to court to enforce the rights. However, the protections aren't quite as robust as, say, the federal protection. You can take people to court, although the downside is that you actually have to show actual damages, which can be speculative at best, and you may not get attorney's fees to support your ongoing litigation. So that may have to come out of your pocket, which can get pretty expensive pretty quickly. Just know, though, that you may have some trademark rights through common law protection without actually having to go through the registration process, and that's pretty cool. Now let's talk about copyright. You also can enjoy certain copyrights in some of your creative works without going through a full federal registration. So as soon as you put pen to paper, you put your voice to a tape recording, for example, what they call a tangible medium of expression, that creative work or that copyrightable subject matter can be protected through copyright. You can enjoy copyrights in that particular work or subject matter. Now, what does that allow you to do? Just like trademark, you can send cease and desist letters to potential infringers, and you can enforce your rights. However, you can't actually take someone to court without getting the federal registration in the world of copyright. Federal registration is required before you sue someone in federal court for copyright infringement. That said, it is cool to know that you do have some copyright protection over those creative works that you're coming up with. So keep writing those novels, keep singing those songs into the tape recorder. Maybe it's not tape anymore, maybe it's digital. In either event, keep doing those things, coming up with those creative works, knowing that you do have some modicum of protection over those works. Thank you for joining us for this afternoon quickie. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. If you liked the video, please press the like button below. And if you'd like to subscribe to follow this channel, please press the subscribe button below. It will really help us out a lot. Thanks, and I'll see you all next time. Sometimes it's actually even more expensive than. That's it. So keep here an IP. That's me. A vlog brought to you by Henry Martin. So it is kind of cool to know that you. So keep jotting down